Hello YouTube friends. My name is Gavin. Have you ever seen someone with money, without a partner? We are talking to you today about how you can make money on YouTube, without showing your face. Matt Parr went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 plus a month with YouTube within 8 years. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. As at 2024, Matt is about 23 years old, coping with a beautiful girlfriend. I received an email from Matt Parr recently. It said, heading, "Don't go to college and don't work a job you hate." Content, how many times friend, have you been told that the only way to have success, is to get a college education and a secure job? He continues, if you've been told that this is the only way to life, then you've been lied to. Maybe not knowingly, but most people don't realize that there are so many ways of making money, and building a real business online. Matt says, his favorite way of doing so, is by running niche YouTube channels, where you don't even have to show your face. If you want to discover Matt's exact strategies, he has a new completely $0 training that goes over exactly how to do this. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Matt's training goes over 4 secrets for doing this correctly, it has no fluff, and it gets straight to the point. This training is essentially a free course and I think you are going to be shocked and delighted at the amount of value that it gives. Matt finishes with, check it out at the top of the description below and get started with your very own faceless channels ASAP. Looking forward to seeing your progress with this friend. Let's do it. Best, Matt Parr, your YouTube friend, end of email. Now I do not necessarily want to disrespect education. I think that it is good for you if you can afford it. Knowledge is power. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available, are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Parr and his brainy strategy, which is the how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face, plus his completely no-cost training. If you want to wake up every single day, having multiple sources of income which can come in for decades to come. And if you're serious about making money online using YouTube without showing your face, consider joining Matt Parr's training course, link at the top of the description below. We want to help you with how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face, so that you have the money to do what you want, live your life how you want, drive the car that you want, live in the house that you want and have a partner you want. As Matt says, yes, you can do it too. In this video today, we are going to give you an introduction, to show you exactly what Matt is doing. The information that we are giving you is from Matt's experience. In order for this to be the easiest way to find out how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face, Matt says that it has to meet a few criteria. Number 1, you don't have to get on camera or be some sort of influencer. Number 2, you don't have to create a product and a course. Number 3, you don't have to have a large amount of starting capital to do this. Number 4, it has to have a long lifespan, which means you do the work once, and then it can pay you regularly going forward for a long time. Matt's teachings can enable you to have some success in learning how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. All of Matt's teachings comply with the 4 criteria rules above. I am still with you. After you have watched this video, click the link in the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. It will show you how you can make money on YouTube, without showing your face. Feel free to refer this video to your friends who will, no doubt, appreciate it. Have you ever seen someone who has money, without a partner? Well, what do you think the remedy is to rectify this difficulty? Let us help you. With Matt's teachings, we can endeavor to help you to do this. We are presenting an introduction to Matt Parr's views on the easiest way to make money online with YouTube without showing your face. Now if you're watching this, I'm guessing that you like smart work over hard work. Matt is the same exact way. Matt started out as a 14-year-old and has spent years honing his craft. So, let's get into the easiest way to make money online without showing your face. This, in Matt's opinion, is using ready-to-use video footage content platforms. Matt will walk you through exactly how to do this method in his free course. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. For starters, write down 10 things that you have an interest in. This can be literally anything: hobbies, what you read and watch, just for fun, what you do as a job. Feel free to pause the screen. Then compare this with this list of categories that those 10 things are a part of. The categories include finances, being healthy, people psychology, technology and traveling. Matt will show you how to summon your list of ideas. Go to YouTube and search the category that you wrote down in step number 1. You find 3 channels within that category and you find channels that are primarily based on what's being said throughout the video. Matt will show you how to do this, and if you've opened 3 channels now, you have a list of 30 ideas. Now this is the only part of this process where you do have to do a tiny bit of work, but trust me, it is way better than any other online job or YouTube channel idea that's out there. That's precisely because you can keep making money for years into the future even if you're not working. Feel free to use multiple videos as inspiration, take the best aspects of each video and add in anything you know as well, in order to add the most value. After this, pull out your phone, open the voice recorder app and then simply read your script. Matt will address how to get unlimited content, without having to run into copyright issues. So now we have our talking audio file that we recorded on our phone. This is great information, isn't it? Let's say we were running a travel video about the top 10 little-known best countries to visit. Let's say one of those countries was Azerbaijan. This is a country that most stock footage websites may not have stock footage for. However, if we search this, as you may see, we have about 91 clips that we can use on this obscure country. Let's say we need music in the background of our videos. Matt will show you how to get free music, sound effects, images, basically everything you need. There are tons of different options which he shows in his free course. The best thing about this is, you're not going to have copyright problems like you could potentially have if you do compilation videos or anything like that. In order to do this, all you have to do is import your audio file and video footage into a video editing program. Then it's as simple as dragging and dropping your clips right there. You can really get creative with how you piece these together. But you don't have to do anything too crazy in order for it to work. Once you've pieced everything together, you can simply go to File Export to make your master file, then you're good to go. So, Matt says, in conclusion, this is by far the easiest way that I've come across to make money on YouTube without showing your face, especially if you don't have any money to start with, or don't want to be on video. The easiest way to make money online. If you want to wake up every single day, having multiple sources of income which can come in for decades to come, you need to now go to Matt Parr's free training. The link is at the top of the description below. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making more than $30,000 a month with YouTube by the time he was 22. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. As at 2024, Matt is about 23 years old, coping with a beautiful girlfriend. Have you ever seen someone who has money, without a partner? To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training.